Welcome back to freehighschooleducation.com. Today we are going to do an exercise session for chapter 6.10 in algebra 1, page 235. Written exercises starting with number 14, 3r plus 8 into 3r minus 8. Here we have the sum, and it is multiplied by the difference of two numbers. So we get the square of the first, that's 9r squared, and then minus the square of the second, and that's 64. Next is number 20, 3a plus 5b squared. I prefer to write the first one, squaring it, 9a squared, and I leave a space for the second term, and then I square the second. 5b times 5b, that's 25b squared. And now I put the double the product in this space. So 3 times 5, that's 15, times 2, that's 30, ab. We have to arrange it in this way, and we will see why later on in the following chapter. Next is number 26, 3x plus 2y into 2y plus 3x. Here you can rearrange this. And you can see now the number is multiplied by itself. We square the first, 9x squared. Square the second, that's 4y squared. And twice their product. 3 times 2, that's 6. Times 2, that's 12. xy. Next is number 28, x squared plus 2 squared. Again, we square the first, square the second, and twice the product. 2 times x squared, that's 2x squared, times 2, that's 4x squared. Next is number 30, z squared plus 1 into z squared minus 1. Here we have the sum multiplied by the difference, so we square the first minus square of the second. Next is number 32, 5a squared plus 1 multiplied by 5a squared plus 1. Here the number is multiplied by itself, so it is squared. So we square the first, 25, a to the 4. We square the second, which is 1, that's 1. And twice their product, 1 times 5a squared times 2, and that gives us 10a squared, and we fit it in here. Next is number 36, a minus 1/3 into a plus 1/3. The sum multiplied by the difference of two numbers, and we get the square of the first minus the square of the second. And with this, we come to the end of this session, and we hope to see you again.